Hello, it's Becky from Motor Match Crewe, and today I'm showing you around this lovely Kia Picanto. It's a great little car, really easy to drive, super practical and ideal whether you're a new driver or just after something reliable for everyday use. This vehicle is equipped with LED headlights for great visibility in all conditions, and it sits on these 14-inch wheels with full covers. Around the back you've got a great amount of boot space. This is good for weekly shops or a couple of small luggage items. Into the rear seats you've got a 60/40 split, so you can fold them down if you need a bit of extra room. You've also got ISO fixed points and child locks, which is also handy if you've got those little ones. Moving into the front, the driver's seat height is adjustable and the steering wheel tilts as well, so it's easy to get comfortable. Taking a quick look at the steering wheel here, you can actually access your trip information by pressing this button here, and that will display on the digital cockpit. You can also see your speed, mileage and fuel level here. In the middle you've got the radio system with a CD and MP3 player, plus a USB, AUX and iPod connectivity, so plenty of options for music. Just below you've got your heating controls with dials to make it easy to use whilst driving. And further down you have your 12-volt socket, 2 exposed cup holders along with your manual gear stick, handbrake and a little tray. Thank you for watching this quick walk around of this Kia Picanto. If you'd like any more information, please get in touch.